Sunday morning. I didn't go to church. It was bad. I did go to Target, so I'm gonna give you a little Target haul. I've already washed the bed sheets, had breakfast. Like I said, ran to Target for a few things because I needed to put some stuff in the crock pot. So let me show you what I got, and then we'll kind of move on. Medical gloves, I just needed a replacement. I got a couple of these Oh Snap pickles. These are really good. They're up there with Grillos for me, but they didn't have the Grillo chips, so that's why I got these. I also needed zucchini for dinner tonight, which you'll see in a short video probably tomorrow. I wanted a sweet treat, so I got some almond croissants. These are really good, and they go really well with coffee. They had jumbo blueberries again. I love these. These are so good. And then I got some fresh mint. This is for a mocktail that you'll also see later. Bone broth. I'm trying to use this more than chicken broth these days, but I needed it to put some chicken in the crock pot, which we're going to do in a minute. And then of course I needed a restock of just eggs. The second one has some food, but it's mainly fun stuff. I got some more English muffins for breakfast. I also needed sourdough for my pimento cheese sandwiches this week. And then this, I couldn't resist. I saw this in the Target one-stop thing at the beginning of the store. It was $5, but I thought this was so cute, and I'm thinking about summer decor, and I was planning to use my lemon stuff. I don't know, makes me think of summer. And I was like, this could be cute for flowers. So I got that. And then to go with that, they had one of these left. They're hand towels with lemons, and it says Bon Appetito or Appetit. So again, cute. Thought it would go with the lemon stuff. I needed a small thing of basket filler for Mother's Day gift because, like I said, I need to get that mailed out shortly. This I saw in the one stop. It says it's a throw blanket, but it feels more like a table runner quality or a tablecloth. So I might put this on the table. I think that might be cute. I don't know what size it really is, so might have to return it, but we'll see. A really pretty Mother's Day card to include with my package. And the last thing, which I know the doggy is itching for, I finally got him a new toy. It's been a while. I usually stick with squirrels, but when I saw this little Highland cow, I couldn't resist. So it's got a squeaker in it. So let me cut this stuff off so I can give this to him. You want your cow? Okay, let me get these off. All right, so I'm gonna get food in the crock pot. I'm going to sit down and watch church, and then we're gonna get into the project today, which is quarter round. So give me a second, let me give the dog his toy. Get your cow! Get your cow! Get your cow! Yeah, you got your cow! All right, I'm gonna take my shopping bags back out to the car and take the dog out, and then I'm gonna probably grab a pastry and my cold coffee. I'm just gonna do it earlier today. And then sit down and watch church before we move into the project.
same yesterday and today and forever. And so I pray for somebody that's in the middle of the storm, that though the wind is blowing and the rains are coming down and they may not know what tomorrow brings, I thank you for that firm foundation. We thank you for your faithfulness.
This is a quarter round. I'm going to open this up because I haven't checked the box yet. And I need to make sure what I bought is going to work. One down. I still don't know what I want to do with this piece. This one, it looks like they cut around it, but I don't like that. I kind of want to just cut it out so it could be flush in one piece, but I might just have to do 2 slits. I think we're going to handle this one next. See if I did it right. It's not like in line yet all the way, but look at that. That corner's gonna butt up wonderfully. I keep forgetting to bring the tape measure in with me. I think I've determined for here, I'm gonna have to cut one maybe and then a second one. So there's a little bump because of this not lining up properly. Might measure this one out next. Maybe do a little bit of the smaller pieces. I think it would be wise to have a pen and paper and jot these down. This one down. This one's been cut. I just didn't push it back because I was trying to measure the rest of this side that needs to be done. Sweating and my hair's starting to go crazy. We're gonna break. It's almost 1 o'clock. I'm gonna have lunch. Just got some of those frozen mini tacos I got at Sam's. And then we'll get back to cutting quarter round. If this is all I get done today is cutting it, I'll be very happy with that. But if I have the energy, I'd like to try to nail it in because I didn't think about the fact that I'm gonna have to caulk it and then paint it. So a little extra work than I was anticipating. But let's have lunch. I've chilled for a little bit. I think I'm gonna get back to it. I want to get the rest of this stuff cut. I think I only got one tiny section left to figure out after we get the last bigger area done. Yeah. And I'm watching in the other church service that I like to watch. But I'm probably gonna pause this and come back and go get done the quarter round. Okay, Alexa, pause the music. All right, I got sidetracked. I'm trying to finish the peel and stick tile. I wasn't going to worry about it, but it's really noticeable when you first come in the door, so I'm trying to finish this off. So I got part of it. I just got to finish this section. Just these little strips, and then probably going to call it for the day because it's almost 3 and I'm sweating. But let's finish these up. Got it done. So when you walk in, it doesn't look like it's unfinished. So I just have that there to sit until it dries. Once this quarter round is, nailed in, I think that's gonna look really good. We'll have to caulk. But that's looking so much better. It's not like naked like it was. Dinner's in the oven. You'll see that as a short later. And then I just filmed a pretty yummy mocktail that I will share as well after this one. But I'm just gonna like tidy up, do the rest of the dishes, and then probably take the dog out before the food's ready. This is my dinner. It was like a chicken zucchini stuffing bake. I'm gonna go eat dinner and then chill out for the rest of the evening. But I hope you enjoyed coming along. If I do get to nailing the boards tomorrow, I will film that in another vlog. But as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.